Why is schizophrenia the most misunderstood mental health disorder? To understand that, you should know what is schizophrenia. See, our brain is like a complex machine. Many parts work together to help us think, feel, and act. Sometimes this machine can have problems just like any other machine. Schizophrenia is one such problem, and it affects how a person thinks, feels, and behaves. Let me explain it very simply. Our brain works by sending messages between different parts. These messages, they help us understand what's happening around us and how to react to it. Think of it like a telephone network. When there is a right signal, the messages the brain sends will reach clearly to our other organs like eyes, ears, and hands. In schizophrenia, the signals will be poor and distorted. This will make it hard for the person to know what is real and what is not. That is, they start hallucinating. People with schizophrenia might see, hear, or feel things that aren't really there. It's like hearing voices or seeing images that even don't exist. They become delusional. They might believe things aren't true, even if you show them proof. For example, they might think someone is out to harm them, even if there is no evidence. They experience disorganized thinking. That is, their thought might jump from one idea to another, making it hard to have a normal conversation. It's like trying to watch a movie where the scene keeps jumping around randomly. They might experience lack of emotion. That is, they might not show much emotion or their feelings might not match the situation. It's like watching a sad movie and not feeling anything at all. This is schizophrenia. But if the symptoms are clear, then why do people confuse it with other mental health disorders? Let me tell you something interesting. If you have a physical problem, for example, if you have knee pain, your knee will hurt. Or if you have fever, you will have temperature. The symptoms of the physical illness are pretty clear and straightforward. But mental health issues are expressed through behavior. That is, a mental health disorder is diagnosed only through the intensity of the behavior and the symptoms over time. These symptoms overlap with other disorders as well. For example, many people confuse schizophrenia with mood disorders because severe mood disorders can also have delusions. They also confuse it with alcohol disorder because hallucinations can occur during alcohol withdrawal. It is even confused with mental health disorders because disorganized thinking can be seen in other conditions too. That is why a proper diagnosis is very important. Different mental health issues need different treatments and different coping mechanisms. Misdiagnosis can lead to ineffective or harmful treatments. Only a trained mental health professional can accurately diagnose schizophrenia, identify its root cause, and craft the right treatment plan.